I'll give you a direct link. Don't worry. Check the link that I sent you. So just go to that link, and you will be able to find this. Just follow the procedure that I am telling you. Here, once you go to that page, you'll see this option, download. Once you click on that, you must be on this screen. Just make sure everyone be on this screen. So follow the procedure that I am telling you. So once you're on this screen, you can see multiple options for various different platforms. Yours is Windows, get 64 or 32 based on your configuration. So if you are not sure, do you want me to tell you how to find out which bit operating system is? If anyone need, just let me know. I'll walk you through that.
Yes, sir, we need, sir.
Yeah. So go to your PC, this PC, go to start. Go to my computer, I mean this PC. Okay. So I told you to follow the procedure again. Whatever I'm doing, just do it. Okay. It will work. So here, just right click on an empty space. Just right click here and you will see properties. Click on properties. Then you will see here system type. Mine is 64-bit operating system. Okay. From there you can decide whether yours is a 64-bit or 32-bit. Okay. So once this is decided, you can come back. Come back to this page. You need to download 3.7. Don't go with 2.7 unless that is needed. The latest version is Python 3.7 as of today. That is 20th July 2020. So mine is 64-bit. So I'm just trying to click on that. It will download this. You don't need to create any account. See, the download automatically started. If you want to create your account, well and good, you can do that. So not an issue. It is totally for free, so that's not a problem. You can create an account here. So my download has been started already. So it will take a few moments to download it. So if you already downloaded, like Utsav is saying, Utsav, just uninstall it and re-download everything. Just make sure you downloaded the file which is of a proper bit number. All right. So for Mac OS, you can get the graphical installer 64-bit. For Linux, get this 64-bit installer. They should be fine. The top three. If yours is 32-bit operating system, go with 32. Okay. So once you install, all right, let me show you something. Just a second. Yeah, also download the 64-bit version. That's totally fine. So here, once you install it, the installation is pretty straightforward. That file will be downloaded. Just double click on that. Don't modify anything. Next, and finish. That should be fine. Once you download that, go to your Windows and type Anaconda. Okay. Then you will find Anaconda prompt. No need to open that. You'll see Anaconda Navigator. Okay. Once you download it, click on this Anaconda Navigator. In the background, it is downloading everything so that I can show you the installation demo. Meanwhile, let me show you this. It may open a blank screen, that is your Anaconda prompt, which will run in the background. You can ignore that, not an issue. So it is yet to open everything. It's taking a little time to do the same. Let us see. Hope you guys are not having any issues while downloading it. If your bandwidth is not enough, you can do it later after the call as well. So Anaconda is basically a framework, or you can say an integrated development environment, which would look like this once you open the Anaconda Navigator. So it will help you to write Python code, R programming in various different editors. Okay. So in most of the workshops on Python, see, this is how it looks like. Here, whenever you get this, you'll see the applications on base root on the top. So that is a default environment. Okay. We'll be talking more about this in the workshop, but this is the default environment in which you'll be having all these editors available, and you can click on, we'll be using Spider. So you'll see this option launch. So if you just click on that, it will load an editor where you can actually write Python code.
Sir,
Okay. If you are able to open it, that means it is working totally fine.
sir,
All
what
right.
is the version of this software, sir?
It will be visible when you download. Check the version of it. You can download whenever you download it. You'll find the latest version only. So
Okay, sir. So for this we have to download 64-bit or 32-bit.
you need to download 64 or 32 based on the procedure that I have already shown you. Go to your desktop. Go to your desktop. I'm reiterating on this. Go to my computer or this PC. Here, just right click anywhere and go to the properties. Click on properties and you will see something like this. Mine is a HP system, and my system type here. See, I'm able to see this 64-bit operating system. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ping on the chat. All right. So I think it is almost downloaded. So after download, you will see something like this. And if you click on launch, it should launch your Spider. All right. You'll see an editor over there. And at the same time, you must be able to launch VS Code or any other. Those are all not needed for our workshop. Spider is enough. No need to worry about all that. No, virtual box is not needed. Just do the download however I did it right now. That's enough. No need to use any virtual box. Okay, please do it. If you have any doubts, you can ask. This software is enough. Other softwares are not needed. Only this would serve our purpose. See, once I launch Spider, yeah, it will take a lot of time for the installation. Don't worry. Once it is installed, if you launch Spider, you will see something like this. Okay. So just proceed with the installation. Everyone, if you have any issues, you can. There will be a group created, and don't worry. Our session is going to start from 22nd, right? So I'll be reiterating on this again. So you no need to worry about that. So a few inputs for you, few important inputs for you. Please listen. So this is basically a 14 days training program, which will be like for 1 hour daily. So you'll be informed with the timings. You'll be getting a notification on the same. Mostly it will be in the evening, 7 to 8 or 6 to 7. You will be informed about that, but it will be only for 1 hour. And there will be an examination after the training, which will and if you qualify in that examination, you will be getting a different certificate. I mean, an additional certificate of merit. All right. So this would be kind of an advanced Python plus machine learning course, and it's going to start from 22nd. All right. So your task is to just go with the installation, make sure Anaconda is properly installed. If you are facing any errors with the downloads, just close every other tab which is using internet, try to download it again and try to reinstall it if it is not installing for the first time. Because it is an open source, it may have some issues, but it will be rectified after doing a reinstallation, right? So just make sure Spider is working, that should be fine, and we are going to learn everything from 22nd. Okay. If you have any questions, you can reach out to the organizing team, and they will be helping you out with the information that you need, whatever the information that you need. Okay. So that is it for the installation part. Let me know if you have any issues, and also try to fix issues on your own. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can post questions here. You can ping on the chat now.